Alright, today I'm going to show you how to make brown rice in a Zojirushi rice maker. So I'm going to take the cup that comes with the Zojirushi rice maker, and I have a bag of brown rice, which I'm going to take a full cup of brown rice and level it off and add it to the pot to make the brown rice. Once I've added it to the pot, I'm going to carry the pot over and I'm going to rinse the rice. Now, rinsing the rice releases it from any small particles that could change the texture or the taste of the rice. So I pour cold water inside of the pot and then I swirl it counterclockwise to rinse the rice. Now some people only rinse the rice once. However, I rinse my rice twice. So I'm going to go ahead and rinse this. Simply pour out the rice water that's inside and fill it up again with cold water and swirl it counterclockwise, just like this. Now, the rice should be rinsed pretty well, so I drain the rice and fill it. Only this time, when I fill up the pot, I'm going to fill it to the marker where it says 1 cup brown rice, because I've added 1 cup of brown rice. So I'll add the water to that 1 cup line right there. I'll show you right there. Do you see that? Now we're ready to cook. So next I'm going to place the pot inside of the Zojirushi rice maker, and I'm going to make a selection for brown rice by simply going to the menu button and toggling over until I get to the brown rice selection. And once I get to the brown rice selection, I'll press cook and the rice will begin to cook. And when it's done, I'll have a nice pot of hot, steamy, piping hot brown rice. If you see right here, there is a keep warm button. As long as that light is on, it will keep the rice warm. If not, you can turn it off. Thanks a lot for watching.